Bakit napapansin ko, sa tuwing nagbubukas ang video, ikaw lagi ang front view? Ha? Ano bang ibig sabihin nito? Anyway, we're now in Anangawin. So, view change. Anangawin. Spell as Anangawan, but the native pronounce it at Anangawin. Of course, Batangas session, hindi mawawala yan. Siyempre, patayin naman session. Hindi mawawala yan.
Anangawin na iba.
So look at that. See that? A lot of people here right now. Setting up their tents as well. Yeah. That's from shore to shore. So, Tito Dars, tumata dito siya.
Hindi nga pala
Oh, in fairness, may 2 hours pa yung video ka. Sabi-sabihin, pwede pa ako mag 2 hours din.